Georgia Northwestern Technical College offers high-quality technical education and workforce development programs to the Northwest Georgia region. We prepare students for a successful career through a combination of hands-on learning, dedication to industry standards, and career-focused training that meet the requirements of business and industry.
Probably the biggest thing as far as the program was the instructors. They were so hands-on and they were so concerned with us and so supportive, and they wanted the best for us.
My father actually attended the police academy here, and he had a great experience here, and just from his experience I decided I wanted to come here. Now that I'm actually in the field, it really has helped, and I look back at that and it helps me a lot.
Georgia Northwestern Technical College serves the 9 counties of Northwest Georgia and has 6 convenient campus locations in Catoosa, Floyd, Gordon, Polk, Walker, and Whitfield counties.
Here they got some good instructors, and if you don't learn, it's because you don't want to.
GNTC did offer kind of that opportunity to say, okay, start here at this lower price. You get what you pay for, but you get so much more as well.
With our history of continued growth, close relationship to the community, and customized training to meet the needs of local business and industry, GNTC will continue to provide leadership and serve as an economic engine to the Northwest Georgia region. To learn more about GNTC, visit our website or stop by one of our campuses.